Hola everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Shiloh Seashells once again, and I'm excited to share my adventures with you. Join me as I experience life from different places. Hi guys! We're going to Romblon and we're taking the Starlight Ferry in the afternoon. And this is the new terminal. First time ko makapunta ulit dito. Ngayon lang pala ulit. And ngayon na silang ATM. So after how many years, kabalik ulit sa terminal ng Batangas. But this is Batangas here. So marami na silang food and fairness. And fairness, ang ganda niya na. Congrats Batangas. Sa Lubong Center. Tapos mga kainan. May food court. Tapos ang daming kainan doon sa labas. So, Starlight. Going to Romblon. Romblon tayo, diba? Fully booked actually today because it's holiday. Terminal fee, 30 pesos. Basta may nakikita mo naman yung binabayad mo or not. Tara! Tara na mga biyaheros! Guys! Boarding! In fairness, so you have to come here early and book your tickets online as well. Especially during the holidays. Wow! Congrats, Batangas! Look at the port. It's nice and it's clean. So, naka-economy ang mga person for today's video. 1,000 pesos only. Going to Romblon, Romblon. See you tomorrow, Romblon. Initan kayo. Saan sila, Adrian? Itutour namin kayo sa sa Starlight. Ito naman yung economy. Mainit actually, guys. Meron silang recliner seats. Economy class A, B, tourist class, cabin, and then VIP room. Meron charging station. In fairness naman, malinis yung ano. They always clean the trash, the CR. So yan lang. My fans. See you on vlog. Guys, camping. Morning. Good morning, guys. Welcome to Romblon, Romblon. We arrived here around 3 a.m. So, ayan, and then we very early. Nagising kami 7 a.m. Have our breakfast. Free breakfast for our host, Reggae Vibes. So, dito kami nag-stay. Si Lace din nag-book. Finally, may kasama ako. And of course, breakfast view.
Mamaya magla-lantern kami sa... Yeah! Sita! Our first destination. Tapos na yung paggawaan ng marble. Yung process. So one of the finished products, like, is it tiger white or gray? Mga klase ng marble. Mga finished products na. Grabe, bigat siguro na ito. Ito yung mga finished products like tables, chairs. Grabe. Yung mga pwede mo i-design. Tables. Tutorial.
Sarap po na to.
Welcome to Calabugo Lighthouse or Calabugo Viewpoint. Ito yung view. Tapos, makikita mo rin yung Sibuyan. And that's the Mount Giting-Giting. Tama ba, ate? That's the Mount Giting-Giting. Yeah. Siyempre, free. Wala namang entrance. Ang gataw ganyan. Ta-da! Woo! Guys, where are you? So guys, welcome.
Hindi pwede yung
Walang magkakalabog. Walang mahuhulog.
Guys, oh, picture muna tayo dito. 1, 2, 3.
Teka, wait lang.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Napasok.
1, 2, 3. Wow! Pag ganito talaga, no? Guys, welcome to the Philippines. This is my country.
Walang nangaagaw.
This is my country.
Walang umaagaw.
Welcome to my country, everyone. Ta-da! Pictorial spot. Sa yung background mo. Explore natin tong area na to. Hindi naman siya madulas. It is safe. Woo!
Caught a little bit of magic in your eyes last night. You were shooting pool, we were taking shots under the dim lights. Got a little smile, it knocked me off of my seat. I started falling for you. And I didn't know what to do, but I knew that I had to make a move. From the moment that I watched you walk into my life, yeah, I just knew that I had to make a move.
We're in this souvenir shop. So they have this chess pieces. Tapos ito condiments. 250 lang. This is 2.7. It's expensive but it's nice. Ayun din. Ito. Ay,
True. Ito, gusto ko, 2.7.
uy, nice yan.
Kaya nga eh.
Connection na.
Truly. This is for, how much is 250? Hi guys, so this is 2.7. This is 250. And I'll give you discount. Yun din, ito oh. Gaganda. No?
Black marble.
Saan? Ay, oo nga. No, parang ganito. This is black marble, right? This one is so nice too. Look.
Ito, wala mo. Ang titi. Ito.
This is so nice, guys. Look. 300, right? This one.
50 na lang daw.
250. Hindi 200.
Ito.
So this church was built way back 1640s. And then this bell tower as well. So gawa siya sa limestone and corals. One of the oldest church. One of the Philippine National Heritage Site in the Philippines is the church, which is situated in Romblon.
American and Spanish colonial period. And then later on, after World War II, naging headquarter ng Filipino military. And now, government office.
Puente.
Painuman ng mga kabayo.
Ah, Fuente de Belen.
Ibig sabihin, pinagkukunan ng tubig nila.
Yeah. So we're having our town tour.
Ano sila, te?
Port San Andres naman tayo.
Halikan.
Nandito sila nakahintay kay Bawal.
So one of those, it's like in Viga, no?
Yeah.
All this church houses. Ancestral houses. So, yun. Mas madami pa daw doon. During Spanish colonial. Where? Here?
Doon sa early Rome naman.
Ah.
Against Moros Rider and that's Pirate.
Oh. So it was a church before?
Like
A fortress. Ah, yeah. So guys, we're here in Talipasak. This is our mode of transportation. So we book our tour with Romblon Explorer. So this is the beach. Come on. So many people. Oh, may nag-snorkel. It's family day today. So many people. Ilalangoy na sila. The water. Chilling. Yung guide pala natin, Lace, ay content creator din. Welcome to Bonbon Beach. Nasa top 38 beach bestest in the whole wide world. So let's go. So our tour guide from Romblon Explorer. Welcome to
Where's the Bonbon Beach?
Where's the sandbar? Ayun pa.
The sandbar. This one? And the view! Of course, the mountain. Oh, there you go. But there's no sandbar. No sandbar yet.
The sand and the water. The view. By the way, guys, the entrance fee is 60 pesos. Yeah, for 60 pesos, you can enjoy this beautiful place. Woohoo! May resort dun sa kabila, guys. So, hi guys. For 60 pesos entrance,
60 lang ba to?
this is what you will get. The view. Sandbar too. Pwede pala pag-camping dito. Wow. And the view. Wow. The water.
Welcome to Bonbon Beach! Woo! Ganda. Hindi siya white pero fine siya, no? Pero maganda. Tsaka maganda yung view eh.
Hi guys. So we're done with Bonbon Beach. Maganda siya. And then the other side, very clear yung water. And then maganda yung view niya. In fairness. Sobrang ganda. So, ayun lang. That's the end of our day tour. And then we're going back to our guest house to Frida. Kasi yung front lang ng place na yun is actually a sanctuary. So yan lang, ja! Dinner prepared by our host. Wow. Good morning. Day 2 in Romblon with Starbucks coffee. Char. Breakfast to the view. Lace. Morning. Good morning. Flat na flat yung water. And yung boat namin for the island hopping in Romblon. So island hopping for today. Malakas ba alon kuya? Ay hindi. Yay! Ooh! Oops.
Tubig dito din. Grabe, sobra clear ng water dito sa Cobrador. Tapos ang ganda rin ng coral. Nakita isda. Clear water. Wow. Saan?
Yung iPhone na Philippines.
Philippine. Para pagdalaglag, okay lang.
Hello!
So may tatalon ditong isa.
Malakas ang loob.
Malakas ang loob niya. Gusto niyang tumat.
May tatalon na.
Wow. Wow, ang ganda. Ganda, no? Ito rin, no? Sabi ako, lipat ako! Lace, parang sabi mo, ibon ako!
Type niya lumipad eh.
Ay, ang ganda dito.
Ako na medyo
Oh, shit. Yung suporta namin.
Din.
Sabi ko na, bilisan mo na!
Ako naman.
So hi guys, this is the main Cobrador Island. Yung kanina nag-snorkeling lang kami and mini dive to see the turtles and the corals. Ganda ng background dito. Parang ano, yung Camiguin Island. Hi guys! Welcome to Cobrador Island! Sobrang ganda dito. Para siyang Camiguin, pero mas malaki yung island. Ganda ng water. Clear, tas yung background talaga. Yan lang guys, I highly recommend to visit Romblon. Kahit mahirap siya puntahan, it's worth it. I think that's what Romblon makes special. Tama ba, Lace? That's what Romblon makes special.
Yes.
Kahit mahirap puntahan. The water, the landscape. Tcha! Victoria! Paak! The water. And the view. Woo! So nice. Grabe ang sobrang clear ng water.
Kaya nga eh.
Ano pong masasabi niyo sa Romblon?
Maganda. Kasing ganda mo.
Thank you po.
Magkaan ako gagawin.
Ang ganda ng tubig, no?
Ang lalim na dyan, be.
Dito baliw.
Ayan, naka-blue na dito eh.
Hi, ladies.
Siguro maraming coral.
Welcome to Cabrador. Ali, say hi to the vlog.
Hi!
We're here in Cabrador.
Dinner lunch pala. Prepare for our guide. The Romblon Explorer. So next destination. Good food, good island. Amazing view. Wow. Yeah. 3K per day. Joke. Si Les yung organizer namin. Pwede kayo magpa-arrange sa kanya ng tour. Like and subscribe. Share nyo na din. Ciao! Ganda ng view. Guys, welcome to Tinaog Beach. Hello guys. So the water, ang linaw naman. So clear. So clean. So go. Wow. Ganda ng araw, no? So, hi guys! Andito kami sa Lugbon. Lugbon. Tapos yun sa likod yung Bunbon. Bunbon Beach. Diba? Yan. Ito pala yung tour guide namin, no? Magagaling. Mga Muruami. So, if you want a free dive, you can contact them. Si Edmond. Edmond ba? Edmond.
Oh my gosh!
Kuya ko yan.
Si Edmond. Tapos si tour guide namin, si Ate Rose.
From Explorer.
Yeah, Romblon Explorer. Yan. Turista din siya.
Tour guide na turista.
Tour guide na turista namin to. Ano yun? Nga pala yung kinakanta. Yun yung title nun? Hi guys! So, this is the end. This is our last island for today's tour. So I highly recommend you visit Romblon and do the island tour. So guys, share ko lang kung saan kami nagstay dito sa Reggae Vibes. Yan yung accommodation namin. Morning. 12:30 no? Bound for Cebu
ko. Coffee. Hello, dog. 1 a.m. Waiting for our Starlight Ferry. Going to Sibuyan. Uy, wala ko. Good morning! Ferry going to Sibuyan. It's the same company, Starlight. Kasama ko. Tourist this time. Kaya ako. Hello! Itsura ng na-stranded or canceled ang tour sa Cresta de Gallo. Because of the storm, guys. Yeah. Pero flat yung dagat, no? So far. Pero canceled na lahat ng papalaot.
Ito tayo sa dito.
So yeah.
Easy,
This is Philippines. Ito lang yung view namin. Ito na kami magstay kasi canceled na yung tour namin. It's sunny on the other side. I think that's Romblon, no? Ayun, yung island na yun. Mainit sa kanila. Approaching yung signal number 1 as per Pag-asa. So no island for today. After resting, the sun is out. Woohoo! Sana maaraw pa rin tomorrow. Ito pala pinagstayhan namin. Maaraw na sa Sibuyan. Ouch! Sana wala ng bagyo. Bagyo in summer.
Nakapag-swimming sa pool.
True. Yeah. It's like a free day today. It's a bridge. Hi guys! Good morning! So, we're still here in Sibuyan at Vora Resort kasi hindi kami pwede pumalaot and we cannot go to Cresta de Gallo because it's not allowed because of the storm coming. So, ayun. Kasi nasa gitna pa naman yung Cresta de Gallo. So, maybe we'll just go back. So, this is actually summer in the Philippines. Just so happened, there's a storm. So, yeah. Nature, wala tayong magagawa. So, ibang itinerary na lang ang gagawin namin. So, we'll just go ahead and visit some falls and river. Ito yung view pala. The mountains! Tapos dagat. So, ayun lang. Mostly, ito yung makikita niyo sa Philippines. So, ayun lang. Ciao! May mini truck. Yung difference ng ng dito blue, tapos pagdating mo dito pak kulay clouds gray. Sabi ng So, hi guys. Trekking na ang mga people. Di ba we're going to the river? Tama ba?
Yeah.
So, it's a surprise.
Dulas ng slipper ko.
Video kita eh. Oy, lamig ng Borbeg.
Pwede na to siguro.
Walk lang kayo. Pag nawala ako sa likod, hanapin nyo na lang ako. Yung Crista de Gallo naging river.
Sarap sa likod. Ay! Oy, oy! Sarap sa likod, no?
Hanap tayo ng parang agos. Dito na tayo, oh. Dito. Dito sa gilid. Para hindi na masyado. Success! So, ito yung mga pinagagawa namin kasi di kami nakapag-krista. Ito yung scary pag river trekking. Kasi yung agos. Survive! Lakad-lakad lang. Saan ang punta ng beshi ko? Hello, beshi. Saan ang punta mo? Ha? So, okay po. So this is a 10-minute walk from the highway. It's the Lambingan Falls. Yung madadaanan mo. The forest. Yeah. Small falls lang siya. So, magto 10-minute walk from the highway. Ito na yung pinakamalapit na falls from our from Bora Resort. Dito na ako. Hunger na. Yeah, see ya. Oo. Nakapag waterfall and swimming fall. Savora Resort. Mga artista nandito. Highly recommend yung resort na to.
Pork sin to pork sin. Wala pa to.
Malapit na po ang end of friendship nitong dalawa.
Adobo pala ako. Nasaan yung adobo dito?
Yung adobo mo tigas.
Walang nakabili na adobo. Baka doon sa amin total ba?
Wala.
Good morning. So, almost near in Batangas. This is the end of my video. So, naka-ferry pa din kami.